Okay, we are rolling. On the measuring, you have to do two things. You have to read in the book, page 68 to 70. The section in the book that is right here, you can either do from the book or you can do it from here. This back side also has the 3 steps to measuring. Okay? It says measuring hints. 3 steps to measuring. Count the full inches, count the 16ths of an inch, and reduce the fraction to the lowest circle. Okay? So number 1, count the full inches. It's like counting money. Count your full inches first, then count the 16ths of an inch, and then reduce the fraction to the lowest term, the one that's circled. Okay? Down here, there's a little bit of hints. The bigger the mark on the ruler, the bigger the unit. Example, the ½ mark is bigger than the quarter-inch mark, just like the half of a dollar coin is bigger than the quarter. When multiplying fractions, multiply the numerator, the number on the top, by the other numerator, and multiply the denominator, the number on the bottom, by the other denominator. 1/2 times 1/2 equals a quarter. Isn't half of a dollar a quarter? You could also multiply by the decimals. 0.5 times 0.5 equals 0.25. To convert a fraction to a decimal, divide the top number by the bottom number. Example, 1/2 equals 1 divided by 2, and we all know that 1/2 equals 0.50, like 1/2 of a dollar is 50 cents. Half of a dollar equals 50 cents. Okay? This is the exact same as what's in the book. This is also a duplicate of what's in the book. This space right here is provided for you to do the measurements that are down below it here. Okay? When I do this, I put A, and then I measure how big A is. It goes from 0 to 1/4 of an inch. A is 1/4 of an inch, also called 1/4 of an inch. Make sure you put the inch mark after it. B, if you can't look at B and see that it is halfway between 0 and 1, you can count them. 1/2 of an inch is also 8/16. C is 11/16. You know this is the 3/4 inch mark here, so one mark before that is 11/16 of an inch. Okay? D, this is one of the shortcuts I want you to be able to follow, folks. D is one mark before the full inch mark. Okay? So you know if there's 16/16 and 1 inch, one before that would be 15/16. So 15 over 16. Okay? E, this is where they start going into a whole number and a fraction. E is 1 inch, so a big 1, and 1/16 of an inch. F is 1 and 9/16. Is that door closed over there? 1 and 9/16 of an inch. Okay? G, 2 full inches, so a big 2, and 3/16. 1, 2, 3/16. Okay, on the other side, I'll just go to there because I want to get the other side done here. The other side is just a matter of counting. This is 1/16, this is 2, so put a 2 on the top. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and so on and so forth. On the bottom of the line, on every one, put a 16 on the bottom. The top number is the numerator, the bottom number is the denominator. Okay? Circle all of the odd ones. The even ones you need to reduce. Okay? 2/16 reduces down to 1/8. Okay? 1/8 of an inch. Let's see if we can zoom in on that just a little closer. I think if we go right there, ooh, that's good, right there. Okay, ooh, yep, perfect, right there. Okay, so here I have 4/16. 4/16 reduces to 2/8. Divide the top number 4 by 2 and you get 2. Bottom number 16 divided by 2 and you get 8. 5/16, 6/16 can be reduced to 3/8, and you start to see the pattern now. 1/8, 2/8, 3/8. Obviously, this one's going to be 4/8. Circle them when they're even. Reduce them. Circle them when they're odd. Reduce them when they're even. So that reduces to 1/4. And I circle it. Notice the top number is odd in every one of these. Okay? 4/8 also reduces to 2/4 and 1/2. Okay? There I've done the first half of it for you. On the bottom, there is some sample problems. Number 1, A to P. A to P. Here's the letter A, here's the letter P. 5 inches. 5 inches even. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now think of this like money. Those are the full inches, like full dollars. There's no change after that. Okay? 5 inches to A to C. Hopefully you can look at that and go, A to C is 3/4 of an inch. 1/4, 2/4, 3/4. If you can't look at that and see that it's 3/4 of an inch, count every mark and it will bring you to the 12th mark. When you look at 12/16 and you follow it down, it equals 3/4 of an inch reduced. Now, putting both of those together, thank you for the people that are paying attention. 3A to G. A to G. Here's A, here's G. 2 full inches, and then 2/16 afterwards. 2/16 has to be reduced to 1/8. 1/8. Okay, and then put your inch mark. 4A to B. That's less than 1/2 of an inch. In fact, it's 2 marks less. If you were to count them at 6/16, look up. 6/16 reduces to 3/8. 3/8 inches. Number 5, A to M. Here's the letter A. Here's the letter M. So it's 3 full inches, and 1 less than that would be 15/16. That's the shortcuts I want you to know. A to N. Here's A. Here's N. 4 full inches, and there's 1/2. 2 marks less than that would be 3/8. 4 3/8 of an inch. Now, some people think that's A to J, but it's really A to I. Here's the letter A. Here's the letter I. 2 and 1/4, 2/4, 3/4. The end. Thank you.
Yeah, the end. Don't look.